I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTV. We're here at the Mobile Marketing Forum in London, England. I am speaking with Mr. Peter Garside from Ericsson. How are you today, sir?
I'm great.
Very well. Listen, for our first-time viewers, why don't you give us a brief overview of Ericsson's position here within the ecosystem when it comes to or pertains to mobile marketing?
Okay, yeah, no, I'm really excited to be here today. It's a fantastic event. And we're here because we specialize in two main areas. We specialize in messaging, and we also specialize in the payment side. So on the payment side, we do premium SMS, we do direct billing, we do in-app billing, we do web billing, WAP billing. And we always use operator connections for that. The reason why we use operator connections is that we feel that it gives the end user the quickest, best experience to purchase things or to download games, applications, etc., etc.
And is that particular technology that you inevitably make innate in the operating system? Because obviously Ericsson's known very well for its handsets, but there's a lot of there's a lot of value chain that you also provide.
Yeah, I mean, Ericsson historically, the bigger Ericsson, obviously we provide telecom infrastructure for the operators, and we also do managed services. So we know the operators very well, we know their billing infrastructure very well, so we're best placed to integrate into their billing structure and also their messaging infrastructure. So we can provide a very good service for our clients to connect into the operators.
Does this make you the 900-pound gorilla in the room, or are you allowed to push and pull the market in particular directions because of the sheer size that you command?
I think it's more about our relationships with the operators. So we have got very good relationships with the operators, and we let our customers have those good relationships too. So via Ericsson, they can get in direct contact with the operators. So for example, we have around 130 operator connections today over 25 countries. So if somebody wants to get involved in operator billing, they can do that through Ericsson IPX, and then we can provide them with that connectivity.
What are some of the challenges that you've seen in the ecosystem as a whole that Ericsson has, let's say, helped the industry overcome to make it the better place to do business?
I would say one of the main things is that I think the operators got a bad name for giving out low revenue shares in the traditional ringtone market, the traditional wallpaper market. But what we've seen now is that through our partnerships with the operators and connecting them with new industry players, that we've found that we've actually managed to get a business model that works, and that means improving operator revenue share, and then that translates into better revenue share for the content providers and for our customers.
What do you feel that some are the key messages that are being delivered here today at this particular forum that makes you excited?
I think it's a great forum. I mean, just the amount of people here. It's not just the amount of people, it's all the brands that are here that are talking, saying that they're doing mobile stuff. I think some of the interesting stuff is that they're always saying that they're going to start with SMS. So they want to start with SMS, these media brands, because they want to contact everybody in the market. But then they also offer higher end applications for the smartphones, etc., and the iPads. But fundamentally, people are saying on the floor that they always use SMS because they want to reach everybody.
And it's is it something that's innate in us? We know how to use it. We're so comfortable with it, and there's sort of a lack of, I don't know what proper nomenclature is going to be, but you don't really have to think about making an SMS. It's just so entrenched in our everyday, movement when it comes to using our mobile connected device.
Yeah, no, exactly. Everybody can send peer-to-peer messaging. People are happy to receive SMSs and to respond to SMSs, so it's natural for people to continue to do that. And what people have been saying today is that it's going to continue to grow, and to continue to do really well. And I think more and more brands are going to be using SMS in the future.
What are we going to see from Ericsson in the future?
So, I mean, what we found is that we need to step up to this new demand. So what we're offering is excellent connectivity to the operators. So, for example, if people want to send a lot of messages in a very short amount of time, Ericsson can help provide that. Also, on the payment side, we're entering new markets. So, for example, we enable billing for physical goods, for example, vending machines, and we're also doing ticketing. For example, if you want to get on the bus, if you want to get on the tube, you can do that by paying for it with an SMS.
Fantastic. Peter, thanks for taking the opportunity to speak with us here at Mobile Marketing Association. I hope we get a chance for an update again in the future.
Thanks very much. Pleasure to be here.
I've been speaking with Peter Garside of Ericsson. I am Tony Sklar here at the Mobile Marketing Forum in London, England for bnetTV.